Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see top 30 MCQ of unit number 4, which is environment pollution from your CHE 110 environmental chemistry. So we are moving to the first question. Your first question is, what is environmental pollution? So options are increase in agriculture, presence of pure air, contamination of natural environment, or forest development. So your correct option is option number C, contamination of natural environment. So you can see the explanation in the blue box, and in every questions pause the video and read the explanation once and then move to the next question. So we are moving to the next question. Which of the following is an air pollutant? So options are CO2, NO2, SO2, or all of the above. So your correct option is option D, all of the above. So we are moving to the next question. Which pollution affect hearing ability? So options are soil, water, noise, radiation. So the correct option is option C, noise. So we are moving to the next question. The major cause of water pollution is underground recharge, cloud formation, domestic sewage discharge, or noise generation. So the correct option is option C, domestic sewage discharge. So we are moving to the next question. Which gas caused acid rain? So the correct option is CO, SO2, CO2, or O2. So the correct option is option B, SO2. So we are moving to the next question. Ozone layer depletion is caused by. So options are CO, CFC, SO2, NO. So the correct option is option B, CFC. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, which of these is not a greenhouse gas? Options are CO2, O2, CH4, or N2. So the correct option is option B, O2. We are moving to the next question. Next question is, what is the major source of indoor air pollution? So the options are road dust, tree plantation, cooking using biomass fuel, or public transport. So the correct option is option number C, cooking using biomass fuels. So we are moving to the next question. Which pollutant is responsible for smoke formation? So the options are oxygen, nitrogen oxide, helium, or argon. So the correct option is nitrogen oxides. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, which of the following is a soil pollutant? Options are oxygen, pesticides, wind, sound. So the correct option is option B, pesticides. Okay, we are moving to the next question. Next question is, a major health effect of air pollution is. The options are respiratory disease, bone loss, skin tan, fracture. So the correct option is option A, respiratory diseases. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, what is the main cause of global warming? Options are wind energy, tree planting, greenhouse gas emission, rainwater harvesting. So the correct option is option A, greenhouse gas emission. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, which pollution is caused by X-ray and gamma rays? Options are air, soil, radiation, and noise. So the correct option is option C, radiation. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, the pH of acid rain is. The options are 7, less than 5.6, 6, or 8. So the correct option is less than 5.6. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, climate change result in. Options are uniform temperature, unpredictable weather patterns, stable season, or no rainfall. So the correct option is option B, unpredictable weather patterns. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, fireworks mainly cause. Options are soil erosion, noise and air pollution, wind movement, or water purification. So the correct option is option B, noise and air pollution. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is soil waste includes options are smoke, rainwater, waste plastic and food, or acid rain. So the correct option is option C, waste plastic and food. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is urban waste includes options are tree bark, solar panels, sewage and garbage, and ozone. So the correct option is option C, sewage and garbage. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is industrial pollution is mainly caused by options are organic farming, factory discharge of chemical, solar energy, or electric vehicles. So the correct option is option B, factory discharge of chemicals. So we are moving to the next question. Question number 20. Which of the following is an emerging pollutant? So the options are plastic, noise, pharmaceutical, and microplastic or CO2. So the correct option is option C, pharmaceutical and microplastics. So we are moving to the next question. The next question is control of air pollution includes scrubbers and filters, deforestation, landfilling, or banning internet. So the correct option is option A, scrubbers and filters. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is noise pollution can be reduced by options are using loudspeakers, planting tree, burning firecrackers, or honking. So the correct option is option B, planting trees. So we are moving to the question number 23. Which pollution damage crops and soil fertility? Options are air, soil, radiation, or noise. So the correct option is option number B, soil. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is ozone in the stratosphere protect us from options are wind, UV radiation, heat, oxygen. So the correct option is option number B, UV radiation. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is acid rain affects options are coral reef only or mobile towers or monuments, soil and plants or oceans only. So the correct option is monuments, soil and plants. So we are moving to the next question. The best way to manage solid waste is options are burning, reduce, reuse, recycle, or you can say 3R, or open dumping or exporting. So the correct option is option B, reduce, reuse, recycle. So we are moving to the next question and you can read the your explanation in the blue box. So we are moving to the next question. The next question is a common urban pollution issue is options are volcanoes, open waste dumping, ice melting, coral bleaching. So the correct option is option B, open waste dumping. And we are moving to the next question. Question number 28. Which pollutant depletes oxygen in water bodies? Options are CO2, organic waste, helium, O3. So the correct option is option B, organic waste. So we are moving to the next question. Question number 29. On way to reduce industrial waste is options are overproduction using eco-friendly processes, offshore dumping, or legal evasion. So the correct option is option B, using eco-friendly processes. So we are moving to the last question. Last question is a major contributor to marine pollution is options are wine, plastic waste, light bulbs, or chalk powder. So the correct option is option B, plastic waste. So don't forget to share this video with your friends and your class groups. And if you find this video helpful, comment a review on this video and we meet in the next video, unit number 5.